Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check and use your Amazon No Rush rewards. This feature lets you earn credits when you choose slower shipping options, which you can then use on future purchases for things like digital content or select products. Let's walk through how to find your balance and actually use these rewards. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile. Now you'll need to scroll down through this page. Keep scrolling until you spot a section called No Rush Rewards Summary. Once you find it, click on it. This is where Amazon keeps track of all the credits you've accumulated from choosing slower shipping options in the past. When you open this section, you'll see your complete No Rush reward balance displayed. Even if you don't have any balance right now, like in this example, this is still where it would appear once you start earning rewards. It's helpful to check this periodically so you know exactly how much credit you have available to spend. Now that you know how to check your balance, let's talk about how you actually earn these rewards in the first place. The next time you're placing an order on Amazon, pay close attention to the shipping options during checkout. You'll notice different delivery speeds available, and one of them will be labeled No Rush Shipping. This is the option that earns you the rewards. Select No Rush Shipping as your delivery method. By choosing this slower shipping option, you're helping Amazon optimize their delivery routes, and in return, they give you credits. After selecting No Rush Shipping, continue through the checkout process as you normally would. Review your order details to make sure everything looks correct. Then finalize your purchase by clicking the button that says Place Your Order. Once your order is confirmed, Amazon will typically apply your No Rush reward credit within a day or two, and it'll show up in that No Rush reward summary we looked at earlier. So there you have it. You now know exactly where to find your Amazon No Rush rewards balance and how to earn more credits by simply choosing slower shipping when you don't need items urgently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.